Plus 3v3 ranks. Let's do it. Let's go. I hope they don't ban sniper or knife either, so that will be horrible. Let's do it. Bro, are you serious right now? Let me do the sniper, revolver, right, medikit. And I finally got it. Skin, I mean. Finally. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. I hope it's will be now. Nope, it will not be. Oh my god, someone is level. No, it's win streak 13 here. Oh, instant teleport. Very beautiful. Let me check. Are there going to be people? Load in, quick, load in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, 800. Hunt is there. Okay. Onyx. Prevent that. Nope. Very serious right now. Okay. Okay, wait. Katana. I hope they didn't ban the sniper. Oh yeah, they didn't ban the sniper. Revolver, knife. Uh, yeah. One is dead. One is dead. Oh my gosh. That is laggy right now. Oh, that was a nice flick by me. I'm that good. Let's do another. Wait, second tab. Oh, I'm third. Oh my gosh. How did that snope was not there? He got dead. Are you serious? Oh my gosh, bro, I want to kill this guy. Oh, one key. 118 sniper eliminations. Beautiful. Now I'm going to go from here with the sniper. Oh, that will be right actually. The right choice. What in the world is that? Like the satchels or something? Bro, teammate don't die. Teammate don't die. Person here. Bro, how does that not a kill? Bro, it's so laggy. It's really laggy. It's lagging, bro. I think this strat will be nice for this one. Okay, that was a useless jump of grenade. Bro, I thought that was a kill. Oh, okay. He got that, bro. Your teammates are insane, bro. I'm last at the leaderboard. So beautiful, right? Oh, bruh. Are you serious? I don't know how to be dead. I want to play. Bro. Oh my gosh. It's so loud for me because I'm very with. Oh. Please kill. What? How in the world was that a kill? But wait. I'm going to do this one round, but it's over. Bro, are you serious? But we definitely won. I like know already. Please, bro, win, please, just please, dude. I think you can do it, bro. You can do it, bro. You are pay to win, bro. You can do it. You are pay to win, bro. You can do it. Bro, you can do it. Oh man, bro. I want to win, bro. Bro, we lost. We really lost. This round, we lost, bro. Yup, I know it. There's nowhere to go, bro. There's literally nowhere to go from here. This is the last round I'm playing. Okay, I want to just follow my teammates. Let me just follow. They know what they are doing. Oh, wait, yes. Ooh. Where am I, bro? Oh. I just want to win this round. Yeah, I had 100% on this round. No way they can do 1v2, right? My teammate. Oh, my teammate got this. Yup. Wait. Bye. 25 crystals. Nice. Uh, ooh, 23 elobes. I'm 109 of 200. And bye, guys.